This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacy Goode. Premier location on Mowbray ARCH in the Ghent Historic District. Zone duplex by present owner choice but can be single family with no structural changes. Elevator from basement to third floor. Distinctive double front porches. Extensive renovations with open floor plan. Driveway and garage parking. Two-story owner unit includes a delightful in-city garden. Second unit can be an amazing in-law suite complete with state-of-the-art kitchen, high ceilings, historic architectural features, flood insurance not required. Generator for Unit 1 and refrigerator for Unit 2. For more information, review the details below or contact Stacy Goode at 757-287-1943.